Hi friends, I'm Tilakar. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the numbering in your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to make numbering for any words or paragraph or sentence. First, you just need to select the entire thing that you want to number. After selecting, you have an option here itself. You just click on numbering, or you can use the shortcut key as Control plus slash. You can see here, and you can also use the numbering from here. It's numbered actually. If you want a different type of numbering, you just click on the drop menu. So here there is a number library. So here you can select the different type of numbering options are here, like ABC 1 2 3 and Roman letters, and you can use a different type here. You can see it's coming with a comma, close bracket and dots, whatever that you want. The second type, different type of numbering was this is a multi-level list. You can use the multi-level list if you have a sub point for the subcategory point for the list that you have. So you can use these two options to make a numbering on your Microsoft Office web. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.